Hey guys, a croeso mawr I Gwersy'n o Dysgu Cymraeg. Hello guys and welcome to our first session of learning Welsh. I hope you're all okay, I hope you're all keeping safe. Just for you to be aware, I will be speaking Welsh and I'll also be speaking English. So if for some reason all of a sudden I'm talking Welsh, please don't panic. I will repeat myself in English as well, okay? So, before we get started, cyn I ni dechrau, this is the lesson page we're going to be following today. So, os ydych chi moyn dilyn, if you want to follow this page, if you were looking at the video and watching the video from the school website, os ydych chi'n gwylio o'r wefan yr ysgol reit nawr, os ydych chi'n mynd o dan yr YouTube clip ma, dylai ti gweld yr llun o'r taflen yma. Ond, os ydych chi ar YouTube, fel y wefan YouTube yn gwylio'r fideo yma, bydd rhaid i chi mynd i'r wefan yr ysgol. So, bydd rhaid i chi mynd I hwn. So, if you are currently on YouTube watching this video, in order for you to get the actual work page that we're going through today, that we're going to be working on, you'll have to go to the school website for that. So if you go to the school website, if you type in Ysgol Gynradd Calon y Cymoedd and go onto the official website, click onto children, and then click onto class page where the yellow arrow is pointing. So cliciwch ar children a wedyn cliciwch ar class page. A dylsech chi dod, you should come to y tudalen yma, okay? Now, os ydych chi'n sgrolio lawr, if you scroll down a little bit, you should find grwpiau Miss Cymru, okay? Cliciwch ar hwnna, click on that. Next, you should come to my page. If you scroll down, right to the bottom, so scrolliwch lawr right i'r gwaelod, dylsech chi ffindio'r 4 adran yma. So you should find there's 4 different areas, okay? Cliciwch ar Gwersi we, click on Gwersi we, a dyle chi gweld yr YouTube fideo yma reit o'ch blaen chi, ac syth o dan dylsech chi gweld y llun o'r taflen. So you should see this YouTube video, and straight underneath you should also see this page, this work page, okay? So I'm just going to move that back a bit so you can see everything. Okay, right, fab. So, yn gyntaf, fi moyn canolbwyntio ar top tudalen. So firstly, I want to concentrate on the top of the page, okay? So that has got our question of the day, a question y dydd ni, and it's got our sentence opener. So how we are going to answer the question in Welsh, okay? So today, we're going to be concentrating on what do you like, okay? So how we say what do you like in Welsh, and how we'd answer that question in Welsh then, okay? So, cofiwch, dyn ni'n canolbwyntio ar top y tudalen, okay? So I'm just going to make that a little bit bigger. Okay, so it's a bit more easier for us to see now. Fab. So, I'm going to say the words. I'm going to ask the question first. So, beth wyt ti'n hoffi? Okay, and that translates to what do you like, alright? So, fi'n mynd I dweud e question eto. Beth wyt ti'n hoffi? What do you like? Okay, right, so this time I'm going to say it word at a time, and I want you to repeat after me. So barod, ready, barod. Beth wyt ti'n, fantastic, hoffi, okay? Now in English, the f sound is 1 F. In Gymraeg, in Welsh, it's 2 Fs, okay? So, beth wyt ti'n hoffi? Beth wyt ti'n hoffi? Fantastic, right. Now, to answer the questions, these are the sentence openers. So, dyma'r agoriadau i'r brawddegau mwyn ateb y cwestiynau, okay? To answer the questions. So, first up is I like. So the answer, so the opposite in Welsh would be, dwi'n hoffi. Dwi'n Okay, so that sound again. So I'm going to say word at a time. I want you to repeat. Hoffwn i chi ailadrodd ar ôl fi. Barod? Dw, un, hoffi. Dwi'n hoffi. Amazing, fantastic. Right, so, beth wyt ti'n hoffi? Dwi'n hoffi. Beth wyt ti'n hoffi? Dwi'n mwynhau. Okay, and that translates to I enjoy. Okay, so again, I'm going to break the words down. I want you to repeat. So, fi moyn I chi ailadrodd yr geiriau I fi, un ar y tro. Barod? Ready? Dw, un, mwynhau. Dw, un, mwynhau. Fantastic, amazing. Right, here we go again. So, beth wyt ti'n hoffi? Dwi'n hoffi. Dwi'n mwynhau. Dwi'n caru. Okay, so repeat after me. Dwi'n caru. Dwi'n caru. Okay. Beth wyt ti'n hoffi? Dwi'n caru. Okay, so beth wyt ti'n hoffi? Dwi'n hoffi. Dwi'n mwynhau. Dwi'n caru. Last one. Dwi'n dwlu ar. And that translates to I adore. Okay, so after me again, repeat one word at a time. Ready? Dwi'n dwlu ar. Dwi'n dwlu ar. Amazing, fantastic. So, beth wyt ti'n hoffi? Dwi'n hoffi. Dwi'n mwynhau. Dwi'n caru. Dwi'n dwlu ar. Okay, so they are all of our sentence openers. So dyna'r agoriadau i'r atebion ni. And we've gone over the questions. Fantastic. So next, a nesaf, fi moyn mynd dros yr gwaelod y dudalen yma. So we're looking at the bottom of the page now, okay? A dyma'r ddiddordebau chi. Dyma'r hobiau chi, okay? So we're going to look at the bottom of this page now. We're going to be looking at the hobbies and the interests, okay? So, here we go. So, I'm going to say them. I just want you to listen. Fi just moyn I chi gwrando. Barod? Bocsio, kick. Bocsio, kick. Cerdded. Okay, now, this word, mae'r gair yma yn cynnwys llythrennau double. So, this one includes a double sound. Double sound. The sound is th. Okay, cerdded. Darllen. So use another double sound. Okay, so it's that when an L and an L come together, it makes the sound. So darllen. Okay, next is dawnsio. Okay, dawnsio. Gwrando ar CDs. Gwrando ar CDs. Gymnasteg. Gymnasteg. Merlota. Merlota. Mynd i'r cinema. Mynd i'r cinema. Nofio. Okay, so in English, I know we've got the sound, it's a V for V. In Welsh, it's one F. So it's a V, okay? It's one F for the V sound, okay? So, nofio. Pysgota. Pysgota, okay? Now, this word is a little bit tricky. So, we've got the double sound here, another one. This noise makes the noise, okay? So, war, ai. Nawr, yn Gymraeg, pryd mae a, e gyda'n gilydd, maen nhw'n neud y sŵn ai, okay? Fel yn ai traeth, okay? So in the Welsh language, when an a and an e come together, they make the sound I, okay? So for this word, it ends with the sound I. So we've got war, ai, chwarae, okay? Tennis, tennis. Same word, chwarae, rugby. Chwarae'r piano. Chwarae gemau. Cyfrifiadur. 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 Okay? Chwarae snooker. Chwarae golf. Okay? So, nawn ni edrych ar hyn. Chwarae cricket. Chwarae hoci. Chwarae pêl-rwyd. Chwarae sponken. Gwylio pêl-droed. Okay, so similar to the A and the E, okay, pryd mae O a E gyda'n gilydd, maen nhw'n neud yr sŵn oi. Okay, so we've got the I and an oi. Droed. Gwylio pêl-droed. Seiclo. Shopper. Okay, so in English, I know we've got the S and the H for the sh sound, but in Welsh, it's an S and an I. So, I dot, okay? Shopper. Siarad. Siarad. Chwaraeon. Pêl-droi. That O and the E, the O and the A. Droed. Pysgota. Okay? A dyma'r hobiau ni. There's our hobbies, our list of hobbies. Okay? So, nesaf, fi moyn mynd dros yr cwestiwn, yr agoriadau, a fi moyn ychwanegu, okay, hobby. So what I want to do now is I want to go over the question again. I want to go over the sentence, the start of the sentences that we've just practiced, and I want to introduce one of the hobbies into our sentence, okay? So dyma sut ni'n mynd i wneud hwnna. This is how we're going to do that. So, beth wyt ti'n hoffi? I'm going to pick dwi'n hoffi darllen. Okay, we'll do another one. Beth wyt ti'n hoffi? Dwi'n caru nofio. Okay. Beth wyt ti'n hoffi? Dwi'n dwlu ar siopa. Okay, let's try this one. Dwi'n mwynhau gwylio pêl-droed. Okay? Beth wyt ti'n hoffi? Dwi'n dwlu ar chwarae'r piano. Okay? So dyna sut mor hawdd yw e. That's how easy it is. We've just gone over the question. So beth wyt ti'n hoffi, yr agoriadau, the sentence openers, and you just added a hobby, okay? Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Okay, so, ran nesaf o'r gwers ma, the next section of this lesson, we are going to look at the middle. Dyn ni'n mynd i edrych ar y canol, okay? And this is the reason why we like it, okay? Dyma'r rheswm pam dyn ni'n hoffi'r hobby. This is the reason why we enjoy the hobby, okay? So we're backing up, we're giving a reason to our answer. Okay, so, for example, so I hope everybody's looking at this section. Fi'n gobeithio bod pawb yn edrych ar hyn, y ran ma. Miss Cembry mynd i zoom o mewn. Hey, dyma fe. So, achos mine. Okay, so that A and E again, they're together, but they're making the sound I. Okay, like in chwarae. Okay, so a, ch, os. Okay, so repeat after me, word at a time. Achos, well done, mine. Amazing, fantastic. A mae hwnna'n yn Saesneg, mae hwnna'n dweud because it's. In English, that says because it's. It translates to that, okay? So the next, or you can either say achos mine, because it's, or you can say achos mine nhw'n. So you could say because they are, okay? So yn dibynnu pa fath o ateb ti'n mynd i roi, depending on what type of answer, what type of word you're going to pick, bydd rhaid i chi dewis rhwng rhain. You'd have to pick between these, okay? So, achos mae'n hwyl. Hwyl. Okay, and that translates to fun. So, together, I'm going to say, you're going to repeat. Achos mae'n hwyl. Amazing, well done. So we're just going to try this word, the next one. Wych, wych, wych. That translates to great, okay? So wych, achos mae'n wych. Okay? Next word is ddiddorol. Ddiddorol, okay? Now, mae hwn un yma'n eitha tricky, okay? We need to make sure. Ddiddorol. Ddiddorol. Achos mae'n ddiddorol. Okay? Next word is fendigedig. Barod? Ready? Fendigedig. 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 Achos mae'n fendigedig. Okay, next one is gyffroes. Gyffroes. Achos mae'n gyffroes. Okay, ar un olaf, last one, un olaf. Achos mae'n iachus. 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 Okay? Achos mae'n iachus. Okay? So, if I was to use the other sentence, if I was to use the other example, achos mae'n nhw'n. We just add the nhw'n. 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 Which is are. Achos mae'n nhw'n. Because they are. Achos mae'n nhw'n ddiddorol. Fendigedig. Gyffroes. Iachus. Okay? Fab. So, be fi moyn wneud nawr, I want to go over the question. We're going to open our sentence. We're going to include a hobby. And then we're going to give our reason why we enjoy that hobby, okay? So, ni'n mynd i dweud y brawddeg. Okay? Ni'n mynd i gofyn yr cwestiwn, sori'n gyntaf. Miss Cembri'n drwg. Fi'n mynd i agor y brawddeg fy ateb i. Fi'n mynd i ychwanegu hobi neu diddordeb fi. A fi'n mynd i roi rheswm pam. Okay? Fi'n mynd i egluro pam fi'n hoffi nhw. Okay, cool. So, dyma'r 3 ran. So, ni'n mynd i mynd cyntaf, ail, trydydd. First, second, third. Are we ready? Okay, cokes. So, beth wyt ti'n hoffi? I'm going to use, fi'n mynd i defnyddio, dwi'n mwynhau merlota. Achos mae'n exciting. Okay, gyffroes. So I've just said, I enjoy horse riding because it's exciting. And that was my sentence in Welsh. Okay, that's the sentence I just said in Welsh, and I've just translated it in English for you. So, say I enjoyed seiclo. Okay? Cycling. Dyma sut fasai'n dweud e yn brawddeg. This is how I'd say it in a sentence. So, question, beth wyt ti'n hoffi? I really enjoy cycling, so I'm going to say I love it, actually. So fi'n mynd i dweud, dwi'n caru seiclo achos mae'n hwyl. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Na sut chi'n neud e, okay? So, fi'n mynd i dangos enghraifft i chi nawr o sut fydd y brawddeg yn edrych. I'm going to show you an example now of how the sentence would look, okay? So, fi di torri rannau o hyn lan, a fi di roi e mewn i brawddeg. So, I've cut pieces of this up, and I've put it into a sentence for you. Okay? So, dyma fe. Beth wyt ti'n hoffi? Dwi'n hoffi nofio, achos mae'n hwyl. A dyma fe. A dyna sut rydych chi'n gofyn y cwestiwn, sut wyt ti'n hoffi? Beth wyt ti'n hoffi, sorry. A dyna sut chi'n ateb e. So that is how you ask the question of what do you like and how you answer it in Welsh. I hope this lesson has gone really well for you. Fi ffili aros gweld chi nôl yn ysgol, a fi ffili aros gofyn i chi beth wyt ti'n hoffi. A glywed yn ôl yr ateb yn brawddeg. Okay, so hwyl. Diolch am ymuno, hwyl.